Did I take in a bubble bath?
Yes.
Yes. It's nice?
Yes.
You like it?
Yes.
You're making circles?
Cycles.
In the bubbles?
Yes.
Yeah. You want to wash your arms?
Yes.
Oh, yeah. Let me see you wash your arms, Dayshaun. Wash your arms. Go like this. Wash your arms. Ooh, good. Now wash your stomach. Good. Now wash your chest. Good. Good. You're a professional. You're a professional? Oh, and you're washing your hair now, huh? Dayshaun, you a big boy?
Yes.
Uh-huh. Good job, Dayshaun. I'm impressed. Dayshaun, what you doing? You taking a bubble bath?
Yes.
You got the hiccups?
Yes.
You want to say no to anything?
Yeah. Yes.
What you want to say no to?
Yes. She's up.
Oh, yeah? Dayshaun, who's this?
Elmo.
Uh-huh. Elmo. Elmo's your friend?
Yes. Yes.
You want to give Elmo a hug?
Hug.
You love Elmo?
Daddy Elmo.
You want to give Elmo a kiss? Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Elmo. Alright, Dayshaun. Dayshaun, wave your hand and say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye, Mommy. Say bye, Mommy.
Bye, Mommy.
Say bye, Daddy.
Bye, Daddy.
Say bye, Oma.
Bye, Oma.
Say bye, Uncle P.
Bye, Abby.
Say bye, Uncle Johnny.
Bye, Tiny.
Say bye, Tiana.
Bye, Santa.
Say bye, Sandy.
Bye,
Sandy.
bye, bye, Tiny.
Say bye, Yayo.
Yeah. Bye, Yayi. Bye, bye, Yayu.
Say bye, Oma Paula.
Bye, Paula.
Say love you.
I will.
Okay. Bye, Dayshaun.